Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. So here I am in front of you with a very important session. So here we are going to discuss about the NPS Grade A and Grade B 2025, right? So you might be aware about that. The notification for the grade A and grade B in NPS is out, and here I'm going to tell you about like how you can proceed with your preparation for general stream if you are applying for the post in grade A and grade B, how you can proceed, what would be the exam pattern, and what would be the syllabus, and how you can do your preparations in a better manner with the team of Oliver. So let's start our discussion. So here you can see for your better preparations, what we are providing to you. We are providing you a complete course, and that course will help you for the better preparation of phase 1 and phase 2. Right. So what would be the syllabus for phase 1 and what would be the syllabus for phase 2? We are going to discuss about that thing also. And this batch, which is available on the mobile application of Oliveboard, this batch will have all the descriptive and the MCQ format, like whatever the important portion that will be asked in phase 1 and phase 2 of this exam will be covered in this complete course. And with that, if you want to be the part of Learn Pack, that will include the notes, right? If you are enrolling in the Learn Pack, what you will get the specified notes related to your exam preparations. You will have the mock test access and you will get the current affairs related to the exam, right? And with that, if you are thinking about like complete preparations, like you want the classes, regular recorded in the live classes, regular notes, regular discussions, so you can be the part of this complete course, which will be live from tomorrow. Right. So aspirants who are going to target this NPS Grade A and B 2025, they can enroll in this batch. And if you had subscribed for regulatory super elite pack, you will get the, subscription of this particular batch as well, right? So let's further discuss about the selection process. So in the specific exam selection process, it will be having three phases like phase 1, phase 2, and interview, right? So this particular grade A and grade B positions will be covered by the selection process, which will be divided into three phases: phase 1, phase 2, and the interview. And now the very important thing that you should know, like what would be the syllabus and how you have to approach your phase 1 preparation. So before going forward, like how you have to approach for your phase 1 preparation, let me tell you about the exam pattern, like what would be the portion that will be included in your phase 1. So that phase 1 examination will have the following sections, and these will be the number of questions from each section and the total marks that each section will have. So English language, there will be 25 questions from English language, and you will have to, the total 25 marks will be in that. And for the reasoning and analytical test, there will be 25 questions and 25 marks will be from this portion. Commerce, accountancy, management, finance, data analytics, stats, Companies Act, Indian Trust Act, economics and pension sector. This all portion will also have 25 questions and that will also carry 25 marks. Quantitative aptitude, this portion will also carry 25 questions and that will have 25 marks. General awareness, which will include some questions related to the financial sector as well. So this portion will also have 20 questions and that will carry 20 marks. So to cover the complete phase 1, paper 1, you will be provided with 90 minutes, and this complete set will have 120 questions in it and it will carry 120 marks, right? So this is for phase 1. And guys, let me tell you one more thing, that phase 1 and phase 2 examination will be on the same day, right? They will be conducted on the same day. And if you had qualified your phase 1 exam, then only your phase 2 paper will be evaluated. Right. Now let's talk about the syllabus and the exam pattern for the phase 2. So the phase 2 will consist of two paper, one paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 will have the questions from the English and general studies, and this specific paper 1 will be a descriptive type paper, right? You have to write the answers, and this particular paper one will carry 100 marks, and time provided to you do this paper one will be 60 minutes. Paper 2 will have the multiple choice questions in subjects like commerce, accountancy, management, finance, data analytics, statistics, Companies Act, Indian Trust Act, economics and pensions sector. And total, this paper 2 will carry 100 marks. And to cover the paper 2, you will be provided with 40 minutes. So in overall, you will get 100 minutes to cover paper 1 and paper 2, right? Now, there would be the third stage or the phase of the examination, that will be the interview. So, that will include your personality test, the knowledge test, skills, everything will be provided to you. Like when you will have the interview, we have to prepare for the interview. You will be provided with personalized mock interviews for your better preparations, right? Now, let's talk about how the Oliveboard will help you. See, we have 146 selections and counting in RBI Grade B 2023. So it would be a better step for you if you are going to start your journey, start your preparations with us. Right, there is a complete team that will guide you about the different stages of the exams and the different phases in the portion of the exam, so that you can do your preparation in a better manner and you can do all your preparations with us, right? Now, let's talk about the different subjects, and let's talk about the course highlights first, and after that we'll discuss about the syllabus and who will teach you which portion, how you can approach in a better manner for your better preparation. So let's talk about this course. Like this course, that NPS Grade A and B course will have the classes, it will provide you the notes, and you will also get the test to regular or continuously. You can check like where you are lagging behind and how to pursue forward. And this batch will be available to you from 21st of January 2025, like from tomorrow onwards. So this course will have the classes, like you will have 100 plus live and recorded sessions, and that sessions will help you to cover all the important portions of phase 1, like the subjects like quants, reasoning, English, and general awareness. You will have 90 plus recorded foundation lectures for quants and reasoning, so that your basics will be cleared in quants and reasoning and you can pursue forward for the advanced portion, right? We are providing you the advanced quants classes and the basic quants classes also, okay? And there will be 100 plus live and recorded sessions for covering the important like general stream subjects like commerce, accountancy, management, finance, data, analytics, stats, etc. And you will be provided with 15 plus spatial descriptive English sessions for phase 2. So that's how you can frame your preparations in better manner with us. And apart from the classes, you will get the notes also, so that you can revise all the portions on regular time basis. So in the notes, you will get the notes for commerce, accountancy, management, finance, data analytics, statistics, and Companies Act 2013, and Indian Trust Act, economics and pension sector. And you will get the current affair notes also, right? You will get the updated current affair notes as well. And you will be provided with the test for your regular, analysis. Like you can better know if you do the test practice, that will help you to know like where you are lagging behind and how to pursue forward. So you will be provided with tests like 10 full length mock test for phase 1 and 10 full length mock test for phase 2 paper 2. And other than that, you will have 5 descriptive English test for phase 2 with evaluations from mentors. Our mentors will evaluate all your descriptive answer sheets, and they will tell you like where you need more improvement and how to pursue further, right? So that's how. Now let's talk about the syllabus. Let's talk about the team members, like which particular educator will teach you which particular segment. So let's discuss about all these things, and let's talk about the syllabus of the examination, so that you will better understand how to pursue forward, right? So here you can see that for your commerce and accountancy portion, like who will help you in covering the commerce and accountancy portion. So Prateek Taldar sir will help you in this portion. There will be 30 plus lectures for commerce and accountancy, and the syllabus will include accounting as a financial information system, accounting standards with specific reference to accounting for depreciation, inventories, revenue recognition, fixed assets, foreign exchange transactions, and investments, cash flow statements, fund flow statement, financial statement analysis, ratio analysis, accounting for share capital transactions, including bonus shares, right shares, employs stock options and buyback of securities, preparation and presentation of company final accounts. So these all topics will be covered by Prateek Daldar sir, right? And you will have total 30 plus lectures to cover this particular segment of your syllabus, right? Now, let's talk about the economics portion. So, economic portion will be covered by Mannat ma'am, right? You will be provided with 30 plus lectures, and ESI foundation will also be provided to you, right? So, in this economics portion, you will have to cover the demand and supply, market structures, national income, concepts and measurements, classical and Keynesian approach, determination of output and employment, consumption functions, investment functions, multiplier and accelerator, demand and supply for money, ISLM, inflation and Phillips curve, business cycles, right? Business balance of payments, foreign exchange markets, inflation, monetary and fiscal policy, non-banking financial institutions. So everything will be covered by Mannat ma'am under your economic section, right? And after that, if we talk about the management portion, so this will be covered by me, and you will be provided 27 plus lectures to cover this particular portion. And under this portion, we will cover the management, like its nature and scope will be covered. Then we'll talk about the management processes, planning, organization, staffing, directing, and controlling. Like we'll talk about the different approaches that we can follow to cover the management portion, right? We'll talk about the different theories related to the management, right? Then after we'll talk about the role of a manager in an organization, like how a specific organization will be governed. Like we'll talk about the organizational behavior concept here. After that, we'll cover the leadership and the task of a leader, leadership styles, leadership theories, a successful leader versus an effective leader. Human resource development portion will be covered, and we'll talk about the concepts of human resource development, the goals of human resource development. So all these things will be covered, right? And other than that, we'll talk about the motivation, the morale, and the incentives, theories of motivation, how managers motivate, concept of morale, factors determining morale, role of incentives in building up morale. So we'll talk about all these things here. And after that, we'll talk about the communication segment. It will include the steps in the communication processes, communication channels, oral versus written communication, verbal versus non-verbal communication, upward, downward, and lateral communication, barriers to communications, and role of information technology. So I'll cover all these management segment for this exam for you, and near to 27 plus lectures will be provided under this, so that everything will be covered from the management section, right? Yeah, and for the pension sector of India and the world, you will have 5 plus lectures. Mannat ma'am will cover this segment for you, and it will include the topics like status of pension sector in India, different types of retirement schemes in India and their features, national pension system, Atal Pension Yojana. We'll talk about annuity plans, basics of investments, decision makings, and portfolio management, right? So all these portions will be covered, right? And if we talk about the finance portion, so you will be provided with 30 plus lectures to cover your finance portion, and this portion will also be covered by Prateek sir. And it will include the topics like financial system of India and world, role and functions of regulatory bodies in financial sector, Financial markets of India and world, primary and secondary markets, forex, money, bond, equity, etc. Functions, instruments, and recent developments in it. And it will have the general topics like basics of derivatives, forward, futures, and swap. Recent developments in the financial sector of India and world, financial inclusion, use of technology, alternate sources of finance, private and social cost benefit, public private partnerships, direct and indirect taxes, non tax sources of revenue, GST, finance commission, fiscal policy, fiscal responsibilities, and budget management act as well. So all these things will be covered, and other than that you will have the lectures for inflation like definition, trends, estimates, consequences, and remedies like control, how you can control the inflations, WPI, CPI, which are the and their components, and the trends like how they are fluctuating and how they are changing nowadays, right? Other than that, you will be provided 8 plus lectures to cover your data analytics and statistics part. So this part will be covered by Abhishek sir, and it will include the topics like measures of central tendency and dispersion, correlation sampling methods, sampling distribution, statistical inferences, hypothesis testing, regression analysis, data analytics overview, importance of data analytics, types of data analytics, descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics, prescriptive analytics, benefits of data analytics, data visualization for decision making, data types, measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, graphical techniques, skewness and kurtosis, box plot, descriptive stats, sampling funnel, sampling variation, central limit theorems, and confidence interval. So all these portions will be covered by Abhishek sir, right? Other than that, yeah, so here you can meet our complete team and you can see like we will provide you whatever needed for your better preparation so that you can score well, you can qualify your phase 1 and phase 2. So if you want to target for this particular exam and you need any guidance regarding your preparations, like how to pursue and what to do, you can connect with the Oliveboard team, and that's how you can do your preparations with us. So here you can meet your mentors, like Nikita ma'am will help you in covering the reasoning part. Lakshmi ma'am will help in covering ESI and GA part. Roshan sir will help you in covering quant, and Kapil Dev Sharma sir will help you in covering the English portion, right? And there you can, yeah, I'll cover your management part. Prateek sir will cover your finance and management expert. He will cover your finance part and economics part as well. Manat ma'am will be your ESI expert. And Abhishek sir will cover your data analytics part, right? And yeah, as all the courses, all the classes that will be provided to you in English, right? All the content that will be delivered to you in the forms of PDFs will be in English language. And whatever the doubts and queries you will have in your live classes, you can ask, you can clear all your queries with us. Yeah, and what you can get, all the live classes and recorded classes will be available to you. You can access all the classes at any point of the time, like 24 into 7 hours, you can access all the live and the recorded classes. Yeah, and there will be the balanced coverage of English, reasoning, quants, GA, GK, commerce, accountancy, management, finance, data analytics, statistics, companies like Indian Trust Act, economics and pension sector, etc. Yeah, and what is a very important thing that I want to tell you, that on the occasion of, on a very beautiful occasion of Mahakumbh, this particular batch, yeah, this particular batch which is going to be start from tomorrow is available for you at a minimum cost of rupees 4,589 rupees. And how you can get that? You have to use a code SPL so that you will get a 49% discount and you will get the admission in this batch or in this course, and you can start your preparations with us. And this is a limited time offer and only limited seats are available. So aspirants, if you want to do your preparations with us, you can enroll in this batch as soon as possible, right? And yeah, Here is a very important thing that I want to tell you, that on the application of Oliveboard, you can see that there's an elite or super elite feature. Like you, they are the super packs that are available for you that will have all the important badges, right? So what I will recommend, that you can be the part of the super elite, which will have the live classes, video, CA, notes, and 100 plus tests available for your better preparations. Yeah, and with that also, what I want to tell you, that please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get the notification of all the important informations or the sessions that are conducted on our YouTube channel on time, and you can be the part of the live sessions and you can do your preparations with us. So, yeah, that's how the things are. If you have any query regarding the exam preparations, regarding the syllabus, or anything related to NPS or any other regulatory exam, right, you can write your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I'll see, I'll help you in resolving all the doubts and queries you are having related to the exam and other things, right? So, thank you so much and all the very best for your better preparations.